Baby girl, I love you so much, but I guess you don't understand how much I care. Everything we've been through, I always stay by your side, but I guess you don't see that. As much as it hurts deep inside, I gotta let you go, 'cause I shed my last tear.
Hey, where do I go from here now? It took us one hell of a while. Tell me how we fell apart when I gave you my all from the start. You was my angel, you and me together, we was untouchable. But when you let time play its role, it becomes unpredictable. Everything was changing, lies, rumors, everything inside me rearranging. Now I'm facing hard decisions in my life, in a twisted situation. But I gotta wonder why, tell me why did it have to be this way? It's best that we go outside.
I try to fight it, the way I feel for you, but girl, this pain just won't let me go. Girl, if you won't let me, could try to see, but I guess this love was just not meant to be. For it seemed love was our destiny. I could never love you the way you wanted me to.
I shed my last tear with you, I cried my last cry with you, but I'm saying goodbye to you. After all we've been through, I shed my last tear with you, I cried my last cry with you, but we just can't see it through. Even though I love you, girl, so many times you left me so confused. You hurt me so much, yet I couldn't stop loving you. So many nights I cried myself to sleep, going crazy, wondering if I should leave. Girl, I'll never love another, 'cause you were my pride, and you were my life, and you were my life. I shed my last tear with you, I cried my last cry with you, but I'm saying goodbye to you. After all we've been through, I shed my last tear with you, I cried my last cry with you, but we just can't see it through. Even though I love you, girl, all I ever wanted was to make you happy, and all I ever wanted was to see you smile. All I ever wanted was for you to love me, but we just couldn't seem to work things out. Tell me, why did things have to change? And tell me, where did we go wrong? 'Cause baby girl, I'm tired of crying. I guess some way we'll just have to move on. I shed my last tear with you, I cried my last cry with you, but I'm saying goodbye to you. After all we've been through, I shed my last tear with you, I cried my last cry with you, but we just can't see it through.